Back at the Quizatron, we have 5 questions.
Quizatron 9000.
As always, you can make a record of your answers and compare them with the answers in the solutions video at the end of this chapter. Question 1. The security review module will make your site secure. True or false? Question 2. If you use HTML in the source code for a text area that is not allowed in the text format, what happens? A. The not allowed HTML will be permanently removed upon saving. B. The not allowed HTML will be permanently removed upon viewing. C. The not allowed HTML will be permanently removed the next time the content is edited and saved, but only if there's a WYSIWYG enabled. D. The not allowed HTML will be permanently removed the next time the content is edited and saved, regardless of whether a WYSIWYG is enabled. That's a mouthful. Question 3. Images uploaded through IMCE are unmanaged files. True or false? Question 4. Which text formats are usable by authenticated users by default? A. Full HTML. B. Basic HTML. C. Restricted HTML. And D. Plain text. And question 5. To see CSS styles rendered in the WYSIWYG, what do you need to do? A. All CSS styles are visible in the WYSIWYG. B. Install the IMCE module. C. Add a setting to a custom theme. Or D. Add a new text format.